Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know a lot about Redmi K20 series smartphones which will be launched in China tomorrow. If you don't know the specs, then you can click on that I button. So let's get straight to the upgrades. The first upgrade which the K20 Pro going to have is a dual band GPS. We have been using GPS for a long time now. The service uses a number of different frequencies ranging from 1176 MHz to 1610 MHz. But traditional GPS uses single band for GPS services, which at times provided problems with navigation and we would just go round in circles. But with dual band GPS this is going to change, as this uses dual band frequencies, thus improving the accuracy and speed. With this, the navigation will improve, better AR and VR tracking, and lot more stuff will be coming to the smartphone. This is one upgrade. The next is even more exciting. Redmi K20 will use NFC. Now you might say, what's exciting about that? First is, the mere inclusion of NFC in Redmi device is a big thing, as this is the first time they have included NFC. The NFC chip used is NXP's latest generation SN100 series chip, as could be found in the iPhone XS, which ultimately increases the transaction speed by 30% compared to previous generation NFC. Xiaomi NFC is very rich in function. It supports 200 city bus cards, simulation of unencrypted access cards, Xiaomi payment, NFC door lock and other features. But more of these features are based on where you live, as these are mostly China based applications. In addition, it is compatible with many third-party applications which could be useful to everyone. And lastly, in the latest teaser, the company has revealed that the K20 will sport an ultra-linear speaker in the big 0.9cc physical space. Redmi General Manager Lu Weibing also mentioned that this setup makes the K20 very loud and that the effect is very outstanding when playing games. And these were the latest upgrades to K20. I hope to see you tomorrow for the live event, but it will be in Chinese language. Even I don't know Chinese, or else I could have translated that for you, but you can sort out few things by looking at it. With that, we have come to an end of this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.